Do you want to create viral videos for free and earn money online without showing your face? Today, I'm going to reveal a simple method that most people don't know. Today, we will create something for 100% free, something very good and very easy. You can see this channel. It is a very good channel. You can see its views are in millions and hundreds of thousands. This is a really good channel, and you can also create videos like this. Now the question is this channel monetized or not? For this, I open YT Large. Here, I can check whether a channel is monetized or not. I copy the YouTube channel link and paste it here. Now you can see that this channel is monetized, and you can also see its income. It has earned around $5,359 to $7,960. You can also make videos like this very easily. Watch the complete video. Every part is important. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. First, I open the channel from which I want to create the video. After opening the channel, I use the snipping tool to crop the image. Once the image is cropped, I save it. After saving the image, I open ChatGPT. When ChatGPT opens, I upload the image, and then I write the text below it. I want to create a video exactly like this, with no text written on top, and I want a story just like this with 2 characters that look exactly like the drawing image I sent. I want this type of story with 8 detailed image prompts. So ChatGPT creates the best possible image prompts exactly the way I want. If I want, I can also ask for more detailed prompts, but to explain it clearly, I'll show you how we can get prompts like this. Next, I write this line in ChatGPT. Now, also give me a story related to these prompts. After that, ChatGPT generates a high-quality story related to those prompts, which is perfect for my use. Once the story is ready, I can review it. If I want, I can choose a long story or a short story. It completely depends on me. Now that the image prompts are ready to generate images, we will use the website Pixelman. This is a very good and reliable website, perfect for creating AI images. You can generate AI images on it for free. After opening the website, go to the image section and set the size to 16:9. Next, copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it there. As soon as you paste the prompt, the AI image generation will start. Just keep copying and pasting the prompts. Don't worry. I will also provide the image prompts in my YouTube video description. Pixelman AI is a powerful image creation tool that transforms text prompts into stunning, high-quality visuals. It helps creators design realistic, artistic, and cinematic images quickly, making it ideal for storytelling, thumbnails, social media, and creative projects with consistent characters and styles. Now, all the images have been created, and the results are very good. I save them, and next, I will create an AI voice. There is a free tool called Unlimited AI Text-to-Speech. This is one of the best tools for generating AI voices. You can use it for free. On Unlimited AI.tools, you can also create free AI images, but here I will show you how to generate an AI voice for free. If you cannot find this tool, leave a comment and I will share the link with you in the comments. You can create AI voices on it for free, and it gives daily free credits. Believe me. Now I open the AI text-to-speech generator. I copy my ChatGPT prompt and paste it here. Then I select any voice. There are many voices available here. Blaze and Alex are some of the best voices, but for explanation, I select any voice. I click on Generate. Remember, you can generate up to 1,000 words at one time. If your script is longer, you can divide it into 4 parts and create the complete voice. Now the voice has been generated. You can listen to it like this. So, the AI voice is ready, and now we will create the AI video. To create an AI video, I use 2 websites where I can make AI videos for free. The first website is tomovie.ai, which is a very good website. I open the website and then click on Try for Free. After clicking, I choose Google Login to sign in. It gives me 80 credits, which I can use to make AI videos daily. If I use a different Gmail account, I can get more credits to create more videos. Next, I go to the video generation section and click there. I upload the image, and once the image is uploaded, I paste the prompt. Then I click on Generate, and in a short time, the AI video starts creating. I can see how good the AI video turns out. After that, I upload another image, paste its prompt, and the AI starts creating the next video in the same way another video is ready. This is very good and nice website. The second I is a very good website called degen.ai. It gives 300 free credits, with which I can create up to 10 videos. After that, it provides daily credits, so I can easily keep creating AI videos. Right now, as you can see, I have more than 2,200 credits. That's because this account has been logged in for many days, and I received credits daily. Because of this, I can create many AI videos without any problem. If I want to create a large number of AI videos, degen.ai is an excellent website. The biggest benefit is that even if I don't use the website, it still keeps adding daily credits automatically, just like in my account. Now, I will create AI videos on degen.ai, which is a very good website. I click on Create, then go to Upload. First, I upload the first image, and then paste the prompt for that image. I click on Generate, and the video starts creating. In the same way, I upload the second image, paste its prompt, and the video starts creating. It takes a little time, but this way, I can make 2 AI videos, each around 10 to 15 minutes long. By using both websites, I can create AI videos daily for free. Now, the AI videos are ready, and they look very good. I will use CapCut to edit the video, which is a very good software. CapCut is very easy to use, free, and full of features like filters, effects, music, and transitions. It is perfect for both beginners and professionals. Here, I edit my video, add effects, and make it ready to watch. You can see the final video. It looks great. Thanks for watching. Next time, if you have any questions related to the video, message me in the comments and I will answer. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Next time, I will show another method. Thanks for watching.